need it during the weekend. Yes. Please. Yes, I'm ready for it.
I don't like this marriage plan between Akwanwa and Kinsley.
Please, let me call you back. Yes. What are you talking about?
Mother, this is 21st century. Choosing a wife for a grown man as Kinsley is not advisable. Do you even consider his own feelings? Do you?
My child, it is only natural that Akwanwa was chosen for your brother. Your father and her own father have been friends for decades. So his opinion is not needed here.
Oh, really?
Yes. And I'm so happy that the elders in council are set for their marriage plans. And your father has said yes to it.
Mother, we both know that most arranged marriage do not work.
Oh, please, I do not believe in superstitions. This marriage between your brother and Akwanwa is a go.
It's okay. Just that I'm having a bad feeling about this whole thing.
No. There's nothing bad about it. Oh, please, let that go. Think about some other things. Yes, dear. Like I was saying, this weekend, of course I'm ready to receive it. Just send it to me. I am waiting. Thank you.
Go to my car. Get me my blue shoe, pink shoe, red shoe, and probably pink. I would like to make a choice. And please, handle these shoes with care. They're very expensive. I got them from Miami. Alright?
But the queen mother asked me to finish what I'm doing in the kitchen.
You don't talk when I talk. You do what I say. Get out and get me those shoes. Now!
You have to stop crying. Okay? One thing you must know is that Akwanwa is your brother's wife. Our future queen. She is high and mighty. You have to respect her orders. Okay? Stop crying. Oh my God, the mark is obvious. I plead on her behalf. Forgive her. Okay. Now go upstairs.
My guy, Papa Fana.
What was that you threw inside the bush?
That one, now rubber bag we done dirty. Now just throw away. Disposer.
Your bag went on dirty. Now you throw away.
Yes.
Okay. Go and get it.
Eh?
Go and get it, or something, eh?
The rubber bag dirty now. I can go carry wetin don
Don't worry. Come.
Papa, snake dey there for there. Snake fit bite you now. Snake can bite you. He don't bite you. See snake. The snake no bite you again.
So this is how you've been squandering my money. How many times have I warned you not to touch my money again? How many times?
It's your money. They register your name for inside this thing. I don't understand your money. Is your money missing? Have I missed your money before?
Kelechi.
Yes.
Kelechi.
Yes.
Kelechi.
Yes.
How many times did I call you?
Countless times.
You stubborn girl. I have noticed you don't want to learn and you don't want to hear anything. But today, it's time I start using my kobok on you. Come.
Papa!
Follow me.
Papa, give me my friend! Papa!
Follow me.
Papa, wait.
That's fine. Take a break. Come here. Lord, this is just the beginning.
Your Majesty, King Jonas Odowu, on behalf of the Royal Council of this kingdom, I present to you Akwanwa, and now giving as a wife to our own dear prince, Kingsley Odogu.
Yeah. I welcome you, my dear daughter-in-law. We thank the gods for making this day possible.
Yes.
I also want to thank my loyal subjects for representing me at the traditional marriage ceremony. Akwanwa, you are blessed. Akwanwa, you are blessed. The rest of my blessings I reserve until my son returns.
Yes.
Stand up.
Yeah.
This is unruly. Not only did he refuse to pick my call, he switched off his phone. I am furious right now. I refuse to be treated like some cheap, unacceptable.
You're a wealthy gentleman and a good businessman.
And I believe our present bilateral agreement will further boost our companies.
Very well, very well. Together, we will change the landscape of the corporate world in this city. Honestly, our multi-million naira deal will make a huge difference in the corporate world. Thanks for believing.
You're welcome. Forgive me. We are making a run to the airport.
Okay.
Flying to Addis Ababa in the next couple of an hour.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
You have a touch. Yes, have a safe trip, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you.
All right. Whoa.
Hey, baby.
Hey, honey. Come here.
This your face.
What?
You are overexcited.
Exactly.
What's the news?
Remember the contract we've been pursuing for a while now? The contract that's kept me sleepless, answering calls all the time. Think now, why do you keep forgetting? Well, you don't tell me you're forgotten. Why do you forget stuff so soon?
I'm trying to...
The same contract you helped broker.
The escrow verse with Nexus contract?
Exactly.
Maybe I thought you said they were not interested. Their mail stopped coming.
We just signed the dotted lines. We have joined the multi-million naira league. Ah! Yes! There we go!
Yes! Congratulations!
No! Congratulations, baby. You attracted this, you know?
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Good luck.
You know that, always.
Baby, this calls for a celebration. This is more than a good news.
And I know just the right place for that. So why don't you sit your pretty self down while I tidy up my table and we go have the fun of our lives.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my God! Wow! I'm telling you, wow, this is huge!
Why don't you sit for a while?
Sit for what exactly? I have been waiting all day for his return. Why should I be treated with so much disdain? He has refused to pick my call nor return them.
Maybe he's busy with one of his numerous business engagements.
Not to my own detriment, mother. I am not getting married to myself. He should show some commitment to this relationship. What is so hard in keeping to our appointments or opening communication to his prospective wife? Instead of locking me out like some log of woods.
He didn't lock you out. Try to understand.
Understand what exactly? Apologies, mother. I'm frustrated, can't you see? Kingsley is not interested.
Sweetheart, your union with my son has been sealed and stamped. The both families have come a long way. And this your marriage with my son will help seal the bond.
The prince is not showing any sign of seriousness. Even if we're destined to be together, you should show some commitment to this relationship. At least acknowledge my calls. Is that too much for him to do?
Don't worry. I know exactly what to do. Okay? He will change henceforth. Trust me.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'm very sure. Everything is going to be all right. Okay? Just calm it.
Okay. I have to get going. I promised my mother I will accompany her for shopping.
Very well then. Just take care of yourself, okay? And my regards to your mom.
Come back. Where are you going to? Where are you going?
I want to go see Chinwe. She don't come back, so she said make I come see her.
Kelechi, since when do you begin to see Chinwe? And which Chinwe are we talking about?
Since now, I begin to see Chinwe. And the Chinwe I'm talking about is my friend. Yes.
Kelechi, go inside.
Go
inside.
Okay. Kelechi, go inside. No. Kelechi, come back. See, Papa, make I tell you the truth. Chinwe buy me plenty things. He tell me to make I go collect her. You be bad person. You know what make I go collect her. I go collect it. And you don't do anything. I meant as they buy me something. I meant as they give me better thing. See, stay there. I'm coming back. Don't miss me too much.
Kelechi.
Hold on. Hold it there.
Kelechi.
Hold it there, comrade. I'll soon be back.
Kelechi, get inside.
Hey, comrade. Hold it there. Stay there. Don't miss me too much. I could soon come back.
How, Your Majesty? When he screams with no resolve that we can never be together. And looks like I'm forcing myself on him.
But you're not. You are his wife.
By force. Look, Mother. I don't want to be the girl he marries because he was forced to. I want to be the girl he married because he chose to. How do I even make him fall in love with me when he has obviously refused to come close to me? Honestly, I am tired.
You don't talk like that, my child. You shouldn't change your mind towards him. Akwanwa, Kingsley, my son, is your man. And you have to take hold of him. Do not allow anything, whatever thing you may have heard about him, change your feelings towards him. No. You know very well that you're the only woman that has a right to him. Come on. Stop. Okay? It's okay. It's okay. Everything will be all right. Okay?
Baby, breakfast is served.
Ow. I have to be on my way to work already.
Baby, you know I don't like you going out on empty stomach. I don't like it.
I know, but you know there are clients waiting. Moreover, there are files to decide. Aren't you coming to work yourself? You know there are lots of paperwork to be done.
I know, but I have to take care of this place first. Home front. Very important. What can wait? I'll come later. And you, my darling, you are a successful businessman. Clients will wait. Meetings can wait. So come eat.
You know, I blessed the day I first set my eyes on you.
Baby, not now.
No. Allow me express myself. Nobody knows what would happen tomorrow. You're such a wonderful person, you know. I'm the luckiest man in this universe to have you in my life. You're an epitome of beauty, intelligence, and wisdom. Why don't we make this permanent and get married?
I mean, are you sure? Are you really sure about this?
Of course I am.
I am not trying to sound selfish, right? But same time, I will not want to make you do something you're not ready to do yet.
I am perfectly ready for this. I'm serious. All we need to do is make our time and go see our parents. Huh? I'll run along now, baby, okay? But I'll be back by lunch, I promise.
Okay.
See ya.
Love you.
Love you too.
Mrs. Kingsley loading so fast. I can't wait.
What a damn say, vicious woman. She carry everything, my full package, you know. I'm not gonna let her go. That's what I want. No fit leave her alone. She's all I want. That's what I want. She's one in a million. Oh, you should know. It's unconditional. You should know. This is unconditional.
Mom, I'm not avoiding you. I've been in a meeting.
Really? Are you?
Yes, I want you to believe it because I'm telling you the truth.
Why then haven't you called for the past 2 weeks? Why?
Mom, you know I'm working. It's not like I have all day and all time on my hands. I have a company to run.
How busy can you be to pick up a phone and put call across to your parents?
It's not like it's something that is urgent or... Wait, why are we even having this conversation? This is about Akwamwa, right?
Now you know where you left your matchstick after setting the whole palace ablaze.
Mom, like I said earlier, it is not like that.
You have deliberately refused to pick her calls or even return her missed calls.
Mom, please.
She skipped her meals. What more harm would you want to cause?
My apologies.
Apologies? I am not the right person to be apologized to. Call her on phone. She needs to hear your voice. And as it is right now, she deserves your attention. Now pick up that phone and do the right thing.
Okay, Mom. Bye.
You are my success, my destiny helper, my guiding angel. You are my peace, all I want. Our love is strong, oh baby. Baby, more, don't get well. My love for her is unconditional.
Go baby, oh go baby, oh go baby, go baby, oh go baby, 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 go baby. You see? Congrats, my baby.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
Indeed, Prince Kingsley is a man of his words. You see, he knows what to do. Unlike my man, who wants me to keep on reminding him of his duties.
Hey, love. Come on, stop it. He will come around, definitely. Huh? You know, men, they have ego. They don't want you to come command them or talk them down, okay? They want to be in charge always. So just keep your faith alive and every other thing will be fine. And, you know, I can't wait to take my man to meet my parents and then to meet his parents, right? Do you think they will like me?
Of course, they will. It is going to be love at first sight. Remember, the position of chief bridesmaid has already been taken by me. Why are you laughing at me?
No, of course, you're my best friend, so of course.
Am I no good on that?
You were very good, 100% good.
But babe,
yeah,
I would like to advise you. I want you not to put your eggs in one basket.
What does that even mean? I don't understand.
Men are polygamous in nature.
Oh,
they will be professing love to you while he's busy with another girl elsewhere.
Pardon my manners. No, darling, come on. Not my prince. Not my Kingsley, of course. Sweetheart, my prince is one in a trillion, not just a million. He's scarce. You don't pick him anywhere. Do you understand? So, love, hey, just be rest assured. Come on, have peace that my girl is in good hands. Like, do you understand?
I pray
Come on,
so.
no. Pray. No, she don't pray. It is settled.
Okay.
I know my man. My man knows me.
Cheers.
Cheers again, love.
So, what the color of our chibi is gonna be like?
She breastfeed, right?
Yes.
So it's not my business.
Okay. Over.
I'm the bride. You have to treat me well.
Over.
What a damn say. Vicious woman. She carry everything in a full package, you know. I'm not gonna let her go. That's what I want.
Sweetheart,
Yeah, honey.
do you think your parents would like me?
Would like you? What kind of question is that? I don't have a choice. I am in love with you, and that is what matters. Just you and I. Moreover, my parents don't have any reason to dislike you. They are lovable people. And I know you like them as well.
Baby, thank you for the assurance. You mean the whole world to me.
You are the reason for my existence, you know. This guy crushed all of them? Whoa!
Baby, I don't like scary films.
You have to learn so that you have good hearts and strong mind.
Hey, you stop that nonsense! Stop that nonsense what you do now. You see today, I not gonna forgive you. Why do you go talk about me?
Me?
Eh?
I didn't say anything, no.
You don't say anything. No, be you go tell my man today can say anytime I come in shop, come buy something. Exes and S's and in-laws must gather to come collect the money come from my hand. Now what you go talk?
Me?
Eh?
Me?
Which one be say me?
I didn't say anything, no.
You not say anything, I mean not say something, Abi. Today I go deal with you.
Kelechi, I don't know what I did to you.
You not do to me. You will do to me something now. You will
just get to the back to work. Kelechi, leave me alone.
Kelechi, leave me. Kelechi, leave me alone. Kelechi, you give me. Kelechi. Kelechi. What are you doing to the mess? I didn't do the mess. You the mess. I didn't do it to you, Kelechi. Kelechi. No. Kelechi. Kelechi.
Ayaka, yari yari yo. Okonye nyari kono kunya iboko yo. Ayaka mwa, yari yari yo. Yafulonye yari chalo kuya kiboko. Ayaka jehonda. Oh. She's stubborn, very rude girl, but she is strong. Yeah. Kelechi is gifted.
Mom, I wonder what the surprise is that can't wait till I'm around.
If I tell you, it is no longer a surprise. It is best to keep you guessing until you return home. Trust me, my son, you're going to be proud of your parents when you get back home. Yes.
I trust you, Mom. Not to worry. I'll be home soon, okay? And I have a surprise for you as well. So as you're giving me your surprise, I'm giving you mine.
A surprise? Yours is very much expected, and it's long overdue. Please return home. The suspense is already affecting my lifespan.
It's all right, Mom. I'll be home before you know it. You know your precious son cannot disappoint you, right? All right. My regards. More. See, I need to rush to work now, okay? Yeah. I need to be at the office.
It's all right, son. Do take care of yourself, okay? Bye. Bye.
Oh. That was a quick, mother.
Yes. She said she has a surprise for me, and I told her I'm surprising her too. She's going to be wild when she sees a pretty damsel like you. Okay, honey, I need to rush off now. Running late for work.
All right.
All right, see you when I'm back.
Be careful.
I will.
What did she say she was? Hey, I said it again. Kelechi Achologini. Are you sure?
Ayaka Grover! Ayaka Question!
Where is it? I can't glove you. Are you mad? Idiot! Idiot!
I beg, it's okay. Because they give you quack doctor in the village, somebody will not hear word. Every day you just raise your shoulder up, your wings will grow, your body will just day like fat bread. Every day, Ayaka, Ineko.
Quack doctor!
Quack doctor.
Go police you!
Eh?
Go police you, idiot!
Back to sender.
It doesn't quack doctor! See, I know that you lack home training.
Eh?
Yes, Osama. Was I remind you that? Idiot! That's where. Is it that they call me quack doctor? Neko aka, more quack doctor.
Are you not a quack doctor?
Go.
Back to sender.
Idiot! Don't you know that you are talking to the only orthopedic doctor that we have in this kingdom? In that Puala. What? Do you know the meaning of auto? You just say auto. That auto will kill you.
Is it like you keep?
Idiot!
Back to sender. Back to you.
Back to say the book.
Back to your own. Is you that the auto will keep? You say you're auto swelling doctor.
Don't do that thing again, I'll kill you, idiot. No, don't worry. No, is it that thing that you're looking for? That thing that I will give it to you. One day, I will use one of these big bones that I will force it down your throat. Idiot. Let me go on there.
No excuses. I told you that before. I will not take that, okay? Just get it done with the prototype I sent you and let it be on my table tomorrow morning.
Yes. Just follow the prototype I sent you. I will not take any excuses, not when I have the best hands here, okay? Get back to me as soon as you're done. All right.
Hey, sweetie.
Hey, sexy. I missed you, you know.
Same here.
You never told me you were preparing something this delicious. I would have just...
I wanted it to be a surprise. Hence, I'm making something you love, your favorite.
I know I've perceived it. This aroma is delicious.
Close your nose. I don't want you in my kitchen. Right? So go upstairs, go take a shower. Before you do, food is ready.
You know I'll be here before you know it, right? Before that's done, I'm here. Trust me.
Food is...
See you soon, baby.
I love.
Come down now, take it easy. What the fuck is this? Let me see. Let me take you.
He break his leg. He break his leg. Is he Okada? The leg have removed. He removed.
She's stubborn, very rude girl.
The spinal cord
She is
removed.
strong. Kelechi is gifted. Ochalukoni nyanya putife. That's why Oji Oji Onye Mwe. That's why Oji Oji Papa Onye Mwe. What did she say?
It's not for Okada. Is he Okada?
What did she say she was? Hey, Asarakini. Kelechi Ochalukini. Are you sure?
I'll give try her down. What is this? He break legs. He break legs. What is this now? Why would everybody be breaking leg? This one break leg. This one break leg. Can't you break your neck? Can't you break your neck on the hand? Can't you break it leg? Idiot! Hey, breaking leg, idiot! Okay, you want to shout? Leave it! What do you want to do? You want to do here? Openly like this? You are dragging me to enter. You telling me I will leave you? The leg is paining you. Yes, sir.
What did she say she was?
I have not even started. The leg is paining you. Take it easy, sir.
Kelechi Ochalukini. Are you sure?
That's what I hate. So that I hate. Now. Easy now. You see when hold this idiot like this. Shut up. See, I will pour this bone into your mouth now. But yeah, I can beg. Can I pour it? Can I pour in the play? We are pouring the play. You leave bone, go break bone. Respect yourself now.
I'll give you more. I'll give you milk.
Kelechi, I called you not only to advise you, but to sound it as a note of warning.
What is it, Papa?
I've decided that you have to go back to school. Yes. You go back to school because you've started becoming a nuisance in this village. Kelechi, you failed SS1 5 consecutive times. 5. All your mates are still in the school, so you must go back to school.
Don't catch me now. I will not go to school. Is it my first to go to school? Is it my first to go to school? I will not. You must go to school. You must go to school.
You must go to school.
You must go to school. I said you must go to school. Papa, is this what make you to call me back now?
Yes.
No problem. Papa, let me sound this as a note of your warnings. Never you call me again for this life because of book. Don't be by force to go to school. I know one go school, not by force. Any day when you try again, call me again, say, Kelechi, you must go to school. Me and you go pull up for the same trouser. And we go wear them, better, and you go size our two. Better. Make you no just talk am again about school. Oh. If you talk am again, Papa, I go no say passionately. Passionately, you are looking for my trouble. And that trouble, Papa, you go see am, you no go like am. The trouble is very, very, very hot. And it go boil you.
Hey.
In short, I'm not supposed to stay the same place with you. Make I go inside house, though.
Kelechi.
Enjoy your surroundings.
Kelechi, sit down there.
Oh,
Kelechi.
every day they command. Kelechi, sit down there. Kelechi, only command now you go. You not get the other one in class.
Hey.
Ayaka, yari yo. Okonye nyari kono kunya ibokonya. Ayaka mwa, yari yo. Yafulonye yari charo kuya kipoko.
Papa, what do they come fight for this kind of place, this palace now? Eh? Tell me what you come here come do. You know something like to come on this big man place because of insults. You know I hate insults. What do they fight for this kind of place, for Igwe place now? Papa, you know they talk again. Okay. Well, maybe if na money, if they share and share, go give me small because you know say I need them. I'm the thing. I make maybe you go say me you can't give me something, Abi. Why you do the eye person? This man sometimes they be like saying you no be my papa. No. They ask you question with the eye person. I know say you sabi eye. The eye like the eye, your eye no be the eye well. Leave eye for women, so you know you must eye. What's tired? They don't keep us for here since. No food drink, they don't give us nothing. If it was anything, if you tell them to bring something like drink or anything, want to cool our temper. Obvious.
Your Majesty, this girl has chosen not to move to us. She is such a nuisance. I wonder what I might have done in the past to deserve such a daughter.
What's here? Carry me come palace, don't disgrace me. What may you discuss? Your Highness, don't listen to my father. My papa don't know what they talk. Which kind of
Please shut up! This is exactly what I'm talking about.
It's okay. Chikwalo, what do you want me to do?
Thank you, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, you know we have been friends for quite a long time now. Kelechuku here is my only child. If I allow her to stay in my house, why she refused to go to school? She don't even want to do anything. I have hammered and hammered and hammered on that for her to go to school, but she bluntly refused. Your Majesty, I want her to stay in this palace. Do with her, with whatever you want to do with her. She will be better off here in this palace.
Hey, Papa! So this night be your plan, no wonder. You get the time when me and you discuss now, say you go come send me for palace. Why do you not discuss it with me? You not take my permission. You want to come and send me inside the modern facility of slavery. Sorry, Your Highness. I dey follow you go as you dey go as.
I've heard all you said. She will remain here in the palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty. You can go to the kitchen or look where the maidens are to fix yourself somewhere. Your Majesty.
Now you want to send me
Don't
like
worry.
this. You want to send me like this.
I said you'll be fine here. You'll be fine.
In front of Igwe, you know that I cannot talk to Igwe now.
You stay here until I decide what to do with you.
Papa, punish me, Papa. Punish me, Papa. Now go now. I'm going to go bless me, Papa.
Matilda, what do you mean by not hearing?
Listen. Kiss and I will 6 minutes.
Listen, the way things are going, I don't think so. Listen to me. It's high time you persuaded him to do the right thing and not empty promises.
Listen, if you do not have anything else to say, I would like to drop this call now.
Oh, baby girl, listen to what I have to say. Another says, a man's heart is like a bag. No one knows what it contains. I'm your friend. I can never deceive you. Please, have a thought on this, okay?
Bye.
Matilda. God. Why all this? She can never change. Oh gosh. Not again.
Yes, love. Are you ready?
Of course I am.
Okay.
Somebody's face doesn't look bright. I hope all is well.
Of course. Everything is perfect. Fine.
Sure?
Yes.
No issues.
At all. I'm good. Very good.
Okay then, let's go.
Okay.
Igwe, they say you be the call me no verse. I be the do something where they teach me for kitchen.
I see.
No better.
Yes, I sent for you.
Okay.
Kelechi, right?
Kelechi.
Okay.
Kelechi.
I want to ask you, is it true that you don't want to go to school?
Yes, of course.
You don't want to go to school. Now tell me, what exactly do you want to do with your life? What makes you happy?
You gonna make I keep this thing for you. You know, like say, you see, wait till I tell like you go be say, you know, be like my papa. My papa every time go to chat, wah. But since you just ask me better question, you just still ask me quietly. Igwe, make I tell you, Igwe, I like to repair people bone. Now you, and the thing they come for my dream. Even if I dey chop, the thing go fly from my face. If I see person wey break leg, the thing go dey draw me like all those akuku wey dey draw people. You know that thing, abi? Go dey draw me say touch am, and if I by mistake touch the person leg don heal. So Igwe, I dey sabi fix bone wey don break. Or even if person dey do something, the thing come do kpai for the mistake, I go come fix am. So I be specialty for that kind of thing. Dem dey call am also medic.
Okay, don't worry. I would have loved you to study orthopedic.
Be the name of the welcome. I work on the name, just the explain. That's it.
But you know you have to start from the scratch. You have to start from primary school to secondary, then university. I ask you again. Do you want to study orthopedic?
Igwe, I want to study. I want to study the bone of person. Your bone. I want to study.
I don't understand.
Boneology. Now I want to study.
You see? It's okay. It's okay. I've heard you. You can go back to your work.
You can go back to the kitchen. Now for where did they teach me something where they need at the end they forget. Igwe, me you no forget here. The thing what I tell you I want to study now. Boneology. Boneology. Yeah, what you want to talk about? Go back to the kitchen.
Boneology.
Ayaka, yari yo. Okonye yari kono kunya ibokonya. Ayaka mwa, yari yo. Yafulonye yari charubu ya kiboko. Ayaka chihota.
Are you mad? What is Ayaka? Are you stupid? Sure. I smelled. Look at what you're coming, Ayaka. Ayaka, clever. Are you mad? Respect yourself, oh. Look at what you're coming to work. Huh? Look, take your time. Even as there's no watch on me, but you came late. Some of you to be sober that you came late. You were here.
Sorry now. Because I came late. That's why you're angry.
No. I should be smiling that you came late. I should be.
Sorry. You don't use your body too much. Sorry. It's okay.
Just look over there. What is that? What is?
I don't used to see from far.
Okay, don't used to see from far. Open your eye. Can't buy there. Go walk fly head in now. What? See. Look. You see that girl over there?
Only one patient.
Only one patient.
Yeah.
Look at her now. She's sleeping now because you came late. She'll be waiting for you. And because you came late, she's not sleeping.
She'll be waiting for me.
Go and start work. Yeah,
That why you're telling me. You to tell me that customer have come. Ayaka.
Go. See. Don't make it. Come. Hey. Come. Go there and do a nice work. I've been teaching you. I will not kill you before you die. So go. Is it? Can you walk?
Ayaka, yari yo. Ogonye yari kono yo. Ayaka wo, yari yo. Yafuronye yari charugu ya chikoko.
Come here!
What did she say she was? Are you sure?
Are you mad? Do you want to kill her? Then I say you should walk on her, does not mean you will kill her. You idiot!
I'm not here.
What will you do?
The thing is that as I reach there, I know that I come late. I have to fill in the gap of latecomers. So I don't look at the bone. I say, bone, what is wrong with you? The bone say it disconnect. And I say, no, I have to reconnect it back to the.
No.
Yeah, and I now apply. I was applying first.
First, boogie. You call the boy. You call bone say bone say
Yes,
work on now. Bone say and you want to apply force, you want to apply pressure. See, respect yourself. I don't say you should go. Do your job well now.
Bring your ear close. Bring your ear. The thing now, it's not your head. I say your ear. The thing is because that girl, she used to look for my trouble very well. The other day, she raised her hand, want to slap me.
Are you serious?
Yes, they cost me. Every time it cost me. It cost me. The thing is paining me. The thing is paining me very well.
That girl cost you?
Yes.
Who broke that hand?
It's me.
You?
Yes.
Go and break the other one. Go and see if after finishing the other hand, break the other leg. If the bone is not enough, go inside. You see one big cutlass with a
That's why I like you.
Yes.
I like you, man.
Go finish it. Go finish it.
Okay. I can go. We move.
Move it. Huh? Just don't go with my fear.
Okay. I want to arrange myself. We move.
Why now? See, shout again, eh? Scatter the eyes. Quickly.
Ayaka, yari yo. Ogonye yari kono yo. is stubborn, very rude girl, but she is strong. Energy is gifted. But I'm going to put it that's why what did she say? What did she say she was?
Now well done. Cinderella guess. I'm not there now. This I want to gather for you for one food. Do you want your food?
It's a special order for Apamwa.
Apamwa?
Yes.
Okay, that one. Okay. Hey. Make I see.
I said it's for her.
I know now. Which one you say you said? This I know you the English. I want to know the food. Hey, wait.
I said it's for the princess.
I hear you now. This I be there for don't like you. I hear you. So now, Mona they go. She dey up. She dey bath. She was so cold now. And they come from where she did just now. How you be saying only one person for this life? This kind of food. This kind of food for one person. Only she. Fried rice and jollof rice plantain. Hey.
Princess. Is this the food I requested for? Someone tampered with my food. Who did?
Who did? Kelechi was here when we served the food.
Yes, she was here.
I be a fine toothpick. I see toothpick.
In this life, that is easy. Remember, nothing is permanent. That is easy. Remember, nothing is permanent. That is easy.
Hey, this one not come on, please. How na go serve food na no go put toothpick? No, not try. Eh? I know they breathe like people. What's happened to now?
Be kind, put on. Stop the rude and wickedness, for there is no pleasure in it. Stop it.
My son is here.
Stop the rude and wickedness, for there is no pleasure in it. Stop for
My son.
I've missed you.
Look at you.
You're looking so cute.
And you too, so beautiful.
My son. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mommy. Good to see you again.
See you too.
Look at how fresh everybody is except
And my
me.
brother looking so handsome.
Of course, you trust your mother's sport.
I trust you.
And my brother is looking so sweet.
You're looking radiating yourself. Hi, honey, what? Hurry up. Mom. Meet the The love of my life.
What?
Mom! How could you both take that kind of decision on my behalf without my consent? That is wrong.
I silence, my friend. Who do you think you are? Making decisions without my consent. Huh? Now you listen. As a crown prince, you are not supposed to be entangled with a commoner.
Dad, she's not a commoner. She's the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Not anymore.
Eh?
Send her back to the city. As royalties, we're expected to keep our wives. That is, you getting married to Aquama.
Oh, that's not happening. That is not happening.
Can you imagine?
Life is unpredictable. Not always what we think. Things changes with time. Yeah. This is how life is.
Just a little drink to quench your thirst, man.
What are you quenching? What's going on here?
I'm sorry for my presence.
Take this thing out of this place. Now.
My princess, please, I'm sorry. I thought she was a royal guest and I was asked to entertain any of them until the majesty comes.
Are you sick?
I'm sorry, my princess.
This troll here is not your royal guest. Next time you serve her anything in this palace or go anywhere close to her, you see the sneaky eyeballs of yours? I will pluck them out from their sockets.
What's that person?
Get out! So, you have been the distraction all this while. You know, I have been wondering, what did Prince Kingsley actually see in you? Because looking at you, there is absolutely nothing special about you. See her, looking like a daughter of an expired maggot, with an intellect of a tissue paper. Get your ass back. Nobody walks out on me.
Hey, those filthy and useless hands. Children.
Whoa. Bravo. Someone has finally found her voice. Well, let me warn you. I I'm Prince Kingsley's legally married wife. You know, it's only normal to applaud you for being his loyal comforter back in the city. But you see right here, I'm in charge. Take your cheap, ugly, filthy, disgusting self out of this premises now. Else, your woes will be much.
Matilda, wait, Matilda. Listen, Matilda, please, I'm begging you. Please, hear me out. This is something we can talk over. Listen to me, hear my own part of it, please.
How dare you? How dare you block my part? You sneaky bastard. Shut up! Oh, you knew, right? No, you knew all along. Shut! You knew that your parents had a wife for you in here, and then you brought me here to come mock me.
That's not true. Please, just hear me out. I don't know anything about this arrangement. My parents are just doing this to scatter you and I. Hear me out, please.
Right. Now I see. Now I see why you refused to bring me here to see your parents. Shh. It's fine. My prince, I wish you a very good life.
Matilda, what are you talking about?
As for me, Matilda, I am out of here.
No, I am not doing this. I'm not getting married to her because she's not the love of my life.
Why are you talking like this? Nobody says you should love her. When I married your father, we never loved each other for one day. But here we are successful in our own home. Oh. So why are you talking like this?
Father, this is not the same with the matter at hand.
This is the 21st century.
Yes.
I am responsible for my own happiness. Imagine you going ahead to perform all the rites without even telling me. Who does that?
Son, no one walks away from his trouble. Instead, you stand and fight.
I am walking away from this very one and nobody should follow me. Excuse me.
Really?
Yes, Mom.
Nobody should follow you. Then watch me.
No, he said you shouldn't follow me.
What? Oh, please. Don't you dare try me. I will deal with you.
I mean, this is 21st century. Who does that? Huh? Who does that?
Pick your call now. Pick your call now.
Everything is not my fault. I tell you, my life is not. You and I are fair. So take this easy. Take this easy. This one is not a bed of roses. Take this easy. No matter your position. Take this easy. In this life. Take this easy. Remember nothing is permanent. Take this easy. Remember nothing is permanent. Take this easy.
Let her pick her calls and let me know that she's all right.
Why not call someone to check on her at least to make sure she's fine?
Like who?
Like a friend, a neighbor. There must be someone very close to her who can check on her and get back to you.
She should at least take my calls. Let me hear her voice and be sure she's okay. I'll be at peace.
Do you want to know the truth? If I were in her shoes, I will not pick your calls. At least not now, not tomorrow. Betrayal is one of the worst feelings ever. At least get someone to speak with her first. That's a simple advice. Good night.
Who's that?
It's me, Akanwa.
What? What are you doing here?
We are married.
How many times have I warned you to stay away from me and my private space? What are you looking for in my bedroom?
I am your wife, Kingsley.
I have told you I do not love you. I have no interest in you. I am not your husband. Go back to the people that married you. This was what you did last night and I warned you about it. And now you are here again this early morning. Akwama, be careful. Be careful because the next time I see you around this room, you will not like me.
Everything is not my fault. I tell you, marriage is not
Like something.
so take this easy. Take this easy. This one is not a bed of roses. Take this easy. No matter your position. Take this easy. In this life. Take this easy. Remember nothing is permanent. Take this easy. Remember nothing is permanent. Take this easy.
If I finish this makeup then, the way you go and everybody go tell us that I don't like, you go shock them. You go shock them. Oh, what is this kind now? Keleshi, Kelewa, 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 Kelewa.
What's going on here? What are you doing with my makeups?
I want blend and make it for fine. How you say?
Do you know how expensive this makeup? I got them from Miami.
Miami.
I'm talking you. Are you sick? Can your generation afford this? Look at this thing.
Let me go down this thing. Go here. Go now. Go here.
Now me they said blow for.
And yeah, they said blow.
Oh, bless you. No, say I be worried.
Yeah, they said blow.
You know, say I pretend that they pretend is wait.
Now make it.
I mean, you blow me. Are you mad? Are you?
Come, wait, release me. Let me show you who I am. Just release me. Let me show you who I am now. Hold on. Let me
Why are you treating me like this? I long for your touch and kiss.
Chinwe, I've heard what you said. Let me go now.
Okay, no problem. Say, come. Kelechi, see, this thing, it has been bothering me since. Kelechi, you know, say you be my friend.
I know now.
You're my sister too.
No, they romance me again, I know.
See the way you are dressed. Just look at yourself from head to toe. What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
What is the matter?
Are you dressed like a woman? See, oversized suit, oversized trouser, everything oversized. You carry bag like native doctor. What's the difference between you and a native doctor?
Why? What did they happen now? Why are you going to talk like this?
See, I don't like the way you are dressed. That's one. You have to change this thing, eh? You don't want to get married.
Wait, you just say make I change my life. This thing way they talk now, it makes sense. How be you are they tell about my dream since? They tell you how I take the dream, say I want to become doctor of the bone. Boniology. Boniology, the only boniology doctor in this village, female. I mean, only I can now make the treat bones. Come to dream about it. If you be say this bone now will day like this, he break. I can't repair her back. You can't come back to this one. You know go like her. You know go like her.
Wait. Put it here first. The bone is smelling. How do you even cope with all these things? See. Please now. Change the way. See, you are rubbing it on your clothes. Change the way you are dressed. Look for something else to do. Look for a better job, just like a woman. See, you can leave this job now. This is your boniology thing that you're carrying up and down. Maybe you learn salon, you learn tailoring, you do makeup. See, you are a very beautiful girl. Which man will see somebody that is dressed like this and want to marry her? Or even if you don't want to do all those things, go to school. You can start all over again. You go to school, you get brain, you dress well. See now, you are a fine girl already. So that you see somebody that will marry you and you settle down.
So why they no be school?
Is this one school? What are you saying?
I mean sconiology. That is what I am.
Jesus.
And I'm here to study boniology. But there's no problem. As you have insulted me, no problem. I don't hear what you say, yeah? I hear what you say according to English people. No problem. I will change. If you want to make a change, you go do one thing from me, I beg.
Let's be that.
No laugh. No,
you're my friend. Now just tell me.
No,
you know I'm ready to do anything
no,
for
they
you.
touch me. You will do it. Go do the thing.
I will do.
What's in your head?
Now good. Good spray.
Woman, they wear this kind of head.
Now make a better pass you.
I dey ask you question, answer my question.
Now.
Woman, they wear this kind of head. Woman, they wear it.
Why won't I wear it? Of course.
Okay.
Come.
If you change your head, until you change your head, you go come dey advise me. If you not change your head, no advise me again. Make I not change am for you. I dey vex so. You know say I dey get temper issue. And I don't want to make I release my temper.
Wait. You see, come.
You know say I dey get temper issue. No let me release my temper for where you dey. You understand me?
See.
Very rude girl, but she is strong.
I dey rise small, some more no rise.
See, you are my friend though. Take it or leave it, I'll tell you the truth. Oh yeah, come. Let's
That's why
Papa, free me, oh. Papa, free me. Leave me alone. Now because I forget the pass for here, I call your ass, then you just gonna treat me anyhow. You dey hold my suit of blade. That's what you're holding. Leave it.
Kelechi, I sent you to the palace so that you will reset your brain. You will reason and think like other women. You went there and told the king that all you want to do is burn repair. What is burn repair? Burn repair that you want to do. What's the problem?
Papa, why they knock me this thing? What are you doing now? Why they knock me that thing?
If you talk, I will knock you again.
You know the happy say I even study something. I'm studying bonology. Call it where? Bonology. Say it. It's bonology. daughter of the bone. You know who they thank God say they learn better thing. Release me now.
Whether you call it your bonology or bone marrow, all I'm trying to tell you now is you must surely go to school. Must. As your father and you are only God on this earth, you must go back to school.
As your daughter and your only semi-God on the earth, I will not go to school. Period.
Kelechi.
Papa, free me! Release me! Release me! You don't know this cloth you hold now. You don't know this kind of cloth where I got it from. This is my working clothes. Now they give me for my place of bonology study. So relieve this clothes. Release this cloth, Papa. Why you walk about the dignity wey follow this cloth now? What did I do you? What did I do to you? What did I do to you? Release this cloth now. Papa! Release this cloth, man! No. See, man, no do you what I do person for China. Oh. You get what I do person for China. I don't want to do it to you. Release this clothes.
Do a make I see.
Okay. Give me that. Give me my listen. I leave my clothes one. Leave my clothes two.
Kelechi, come back here. Kelechi. Hey. Akam nezi kwa katiere okokake. Ofu, just ofu nyem. Igacha, igaluze. Within the bonology.
She's your wife. Her bride price and all the traditional rights have been settled. She now bears your name.
This is ridiculous, Father. Can you listen to yourself talk? I am the one getting married and not the other way around. And no right-thinking man in this century will do what you're asking me to do. I will not do it.
This is not under contention.
It is under contention in this case. And that girl will leave this palace or face my wrath.
Enough! That girl in question has PhD. A product of Ivy League. She's the right match for you. And astute businessman like you shouldn't settle for less.
Settled for less, you said? Really? Settled for less? Let me inform you, Father. That girl, Matilda, is behind my success today. Matilda is not just my woman. She's my business partner. And together she and I have built a multi-billion naira empire. That is whom you want me to leave and settle for some...
Hey, shut up! I will not have you speak ill of a woman. Talk more of my best friend's daughter. She's already your wife, and there's nothing you nor anybody can do about it. Do I make myself clear?
Life is unpredictable.
Are you going to kill yourself over a man? I warned you about this. Men are gold diggers. They claim to love you, but they're after two things.
I thought it was different. We were so in love. Everything was moving smoothly. Everything was fine. I'm so heartbroken.
He's a pretender. My dear, you need to move on and forget about him.
You speak as if it's that easy. How? Forget about who? After everything that we have been through. Kingsley, why?
He's in line with his parents. They planned this together. Dragged you close to disgrace you.
It feels like my world is coming to an end. Everything is falling apart. I can't even breathe.
No, this is not the end of the world. Listen to me. This is the right time for you to fight with all you have got. Okay? Stop crying. I understand. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay.
My king, my heart beats. My world best. The only man in this whole world that gives me joy. You look good, baby. You know what? I prepared your favorite meal. Would you like to freshen up first or eat right away? You'll love it. You know I'll do anything for you. Hmm?
Returning late is not your thing. There are other ways to channel your protest instead of putting your life in danger.
And what's she still doing here?
Akwanwa is your wife. You seem to have forgotten that all traditional rights has been paid on your behalf.
I did not ask for that. Okay?
Good night.
You know, it's only normal to applaud you for being his loyal comforter back in the city. But you see right here, I'm in charge. Take your cheap, ugly, filthy, disgusting self out of this premises now. Else, your woes will be much.
hi.
Hi.
Sorry, my name is Kingsley. I drove past you a while ago and I couldn't help but notice you were worried. Is anything the matter?
Not really.
Is there any way I can be of help?
No, thank you.
I gave 3 solid years of my life to him. Yet, he decides to pay me back like this.
No. I thank God I met you when I did. Else, how would I enjoy this very fantastic romantic piece?
Really? I feel same too. You know, sometimes I wonder why we get dumped or even get to stand up for someone that doesn't deserve it. Either ways, I call this fate.
Fate? No. I'd rather call it destiny. Destiny bringing two lovebirds together. So tell me, how is business and life?
Business is so beautiful. You know, the federal government has approved my contracts. Everything is in place, yes. And then my everything is just set, so started work. And that useless man, he thought he can have his way with me. Haha, I dealt with him. He met his match, me. I changed him for him.
You're such a strong woman.
Yes, I know. And you don't sack me around. I go for what I want and I take it.
Because you know your worth.
Yes, I do.
That's good. Which brings me to the point, now that you mentioned it. Why don't we start up a business since you have your way around the government? We could go for contracts and meetings.
That's a very good idea. I don't mind. Yeah, talk to your lawyer. Let's see.
No. I'll give you the privilege of doing that.
All right. Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Who have I wronged? Oh God.
When I see this thing, I be thinking a python snake. Now all those Oyibo people, hey. I did it here. I'm not this. Don't be like this. Like this. See at the air, fine. See phone. Use and snap the picture now. This place lights no day. I need to go for where sun go shine. Let me. Smile.
go outside. Go outside. Are you serious? You're so funny. You're too funny. Don't worry. Let me call you back. Woo! Hey! Hey! Are you mad? Look at this bush girl. That's my bone straight hair. I got it from Miami. Can your generation afford this? What is wrong with you? Why can't you let my things be?
What's the worry? Why you like to dey back like dog every time? Every time you get her from Mimi, get her from Nolly, they go Mimi place. My yeah, what do you? Person fit borrow your thing, take snap picture. Follow me pose. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah.
All that happened back then was a setup. I didn't know anything about it. That's why I'm asking you to just give me a little opportunity to explain.
Can you listen to yourself talk? Kingsley, who are you talking to? A daft human?
No.
Let me finish. You are saying stories, right? Tales by moonlight, isn't it? Kingsley, you took me to your hometown to insult me and humiliate me openly. I left everything I was doing and followed you. And then I was welcomed in that manner. Thank you again. You knew all along. You are aware.
No.
Yes. You are not surprised. You have a wife now. What are you doing here?
I don't have any wife. I don't know that girl. I had never met her. I didn't know there was any such arrangement. Believe me. In fact, you know what? I've driven her away. I've chased her out of the house. I've told her never to show her face around me again. You are the one I want. I just want you to come back to me so we can consolidate what we have built.
Hey, Daddy, this is so sweet to hear. Are you serious?
Yes.
She's out now.
Yes, she has gone. That's what I was trying to explain to you.
Oh.
Please.
Get out. Security!
I thought we were having a...
Get out!
Hey. Matilda.
Get out!
Stop the rude and wickedness, for there's no pleasure in me. Stop oil. Stop Everything is not my fault.
Hello, sir. Wait, sir. Hello? I've been trying to reach you to no avail. What's going on? I got your message and I couldn't understand it. I thought we had an agreement already. Is it not too late to back out?
We had an agreement, but there is no law that states that we cannot back out, especially when our investment is no longer in safe hands. We've talked and decided not to continue with you because you have to protect the interests of our investment for future purposes. We have decided to look elsewhere. I'm sorry.
Just like, see,
Have a nice day.
Yeah?
Kelechukwu, ma, I've received series of complaints from her mama. She said you're disturbing her. You are looking for her trouble. Is it true?
Is she that's looking for my own trouble? I keep my trouble. She's coming to look for it where I kept it. It's not me.
It's okay. Don't look for her trouble anymore, okay? If there's anything you want, just name it. I'll give it to you. Okay?
Okay, so I should not carry her wig again.
Don't carry her wig.
What of her food? I should not eat her food again.
Don't eat her food. Okay?
What of her slippers?
Don't touch it. If you want slippers, I'll buy it for you. If you want hair, I'll buy it for you. If you want to eat anything, go to the kitchen. The chef will serve you. I'll buy hair for you. If that is what you want. If that is what will make you happy. Just face what you're here for, okay?
Okay.
Do your job and leave the rest. You're happy now, right?
Yes.
Have you eaten?
Mm-mm.
What would you want to eat?
Potato and rice.
See your mouth, potato and rice. Or you go to the kitchen, tell the chef to give you potato and rice.
That chef, you don't used to give me food on time.
How?
You don't like me.
Okay, go and call her for me.
Let me go and call her. Chef! Chef!
Look at her. Kelechi. Hey, nice girl.
Not the end of the world yet. I believe she will come back to her senses and come back to you. Although I don't know if she's coming back as your wife or my side chick. You know?
Ijoma, listen to me. If you don't have anything to say, please leave me alone. My heart is broken. I've lost grip on my business. And I have you to blame for that.
Me? How? Why?
You would have given me a head start. I wouldn't have come home with her if I knew there was an imposter waiting to devour me.
Brother, Mother wanted it to be a surprise. So she made me swear never to tell you anything about their plans. So please, do not be in a haste to judge me or punish me. Alright? So what's the plan? What are you going to do now? I suggest you should just settle down with Apoma. Yes, she's not so bad.
Over my dead body.
Oh, Mother, it's just a suggestion. Huh? She's not so bad. Please.
I said that's enough. That's not enough, Dad. You both took away the only thing that matters to me. To what end? I am a full-grown man and I have a right to decide who I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Son, your father and I want the best for you. Akwanwa is a good girl. Well-groomed and well-read. She will make a good wife for you. Think about it.
I cannot believe that you and Dad want to mortgage my happiness because of your own selfish interest and your business. Now I know how much you hate me.
No.
Thank you, Mom.
No, it hasn't gotten to that.
I'm out of here.
Come back here. Oh my God. Son, where do you think you're going? Come back here.
Hey, open the gate. Now.
Kinsley, please don't go out. Kinsley. Kinsley, I'm talking to you. Kinsley. Open this door.
Mother, he's not supposed to be driving in this state. What if something happens?
What are you going to do?
Where is Kinsley going to? Please, no pain.
Do something.
Kingsley.
Everything is not my fault. Marriage is not you and I. Take this easy. Take it easy. Take this easy. Take this easy. Take this easy.
Where is the location? Okay. You know what? Get me the location. Just idiot. Nothing. But it's just somebody here. Sorry. Okay. Oh, well, I'll go back. Let's go.
This hand is still paining me. It's paining me.
It's because you have no respect. The hand is paining you. And you want me to know what I'm doing. Are you blind? That you have a broken hand. Do you also have a broken eyes?
It's paining me.
Go. That is paying you. Okay. You want me to leave what I'm doing? I'm doing a serious business, my friend. I'm eating. Go there and lie down and wait for me. And ask him this is paying you. Hey, who? Idiot. I know that you are anything. I will not give you. I'm not getting another. Come, take. Oh, yeah. Oh, idiot. Idiot. Kalaji! Kalaji! Come on here! Don't go close. Stay there. Look at that. Go on, take over. Yes. Go and collect money. Go and collect money for repair hand fee. Repair hand fee. Yes. What is this? I will give you fly heading for you. Look,
She's
hey, come on. Give her your hand.
She's
Take. Stop on the eye. From the eye.
That's why
Come. If I come there,
I refuse to accept that, mother. He disrespects me. How do you even expect me to keep waiting on a man who doesn't even love me?
Oh, please. You should not speak like that. The whole thing came to him as a surprise.
And I am the one bearing the brunt of a little smoke screen? You know what? I am sick and tired of everything. I am no longer interested. I want out.
Akwanwa. Hello? Yes. Oh my God. What happened to my son? Don't worry. I'll be there right away. Just text the address. Yes.
What happened?
Your husband was involved in an accident. Jesus.
Please inform Ijoma. All of us are going to the hospital right away. Please. Oh my God. What is all this now?
Where did I go wrong? How can you forget all the love we shared in a hurry? God, if this is a dream, please, let me just wake up from it. I want to wake up from it.
No matter your position, in this life, remember nothing is permanent. Remember nothing is permanent. Be kind to people. Be kind, put on. Stop the rude and wickedness, for there is no pleasure in it. Stop it. Stop the rude and wickedness, for there is no pleasure in it. Stop fire.
Is my son all right? What exactly is wrong with him?
Well, there is nothing. But I suggest you both should brace up for some challenges.
How do you mean, doctor?
Look, doctor, if it is money, you have nothing to worry about. All I want is for my son to get well soon. Please.
Well, what I'm saying is your son has some of his bones broken. And that alone affected his legs.
Come on, doctor. Are you saying that the prince of this kingdom, the heir apparent to my throne, can never be able to walk again?
Doctor, is there nothing you can do?
Yes.
He's our only son.
Well, His Royal Highness, with therapy, he has 80% chances of making use of his legs again.
Hey.
Doctor, make it 100%. Make him walk. Make my son walk. He is the prince of this kingdom. Whatever it will take.
Like I said, His Royal Highness, he has 60% chances of making use of his legs. Only if we apply to therapy.
Doctor, I said make it 100.
Please, doctor.
Okay, thank you.
Better.
This is why they tell you, princess. Now, very serious matter where you need to take a very, very serious. This, what did they call her? Aqua Ojo have been a bad egg. When you say be name, that girl no good for your brother. He wickedness inside her body. 9 day wickedness. No, when she's a wizard, wickedness, you wicked. See that girl. May no marry your brother. This is why they tell you take her serious. So make sure no marry your brother. You go kill your brother before your time. Oh, see your brother go if you marry her. Your brother go be all these people where they call living in bondage. Now their name. Now it go be your brother next name. Once you don't marry the girl, they just say happy marriage life. Living in bondage just starts. You don't live. Tell me now. They tell you listen to me. Go tell Igwe, go tell Lolo. Make una tell una brother, me no marry that girl wicked oh. See, you go break your head, you go break Igwe head, you go break your head, you go break everybody head. But for this palace, you not go fit break my head because my head na coconut head. I dey tell you. I dey tell you this, you take am very very serious. No be joke I dey tell you. You know say before I talk, I dey take my time, dey study something. I dey see things before it happen. Even for our side, they know. Now this one I dey put for you for here. If you add more, this thing what they tell you make you take am very very serious. I dey tell you, no talk say I no warn you because say you be better person. Then make I come tell you, make you for go to your papa and mama. I wash my hand comot as sponsor's palette oh. No. I no cold. You for put eyes for inside that they put. Make you what see. This is what I tell you take am serious oh. Then make I want tell you that guy no be better person. That guy no be better person. I tell you know whether the cook don cook finish. Make I check kitchen. Because that man no dey like to give you food when I don. I dey come.
Hi. Good afternoon. You're welcome. Please, I want to see my husband.
And who are you referring to as your husband? Haven't you done enough damage already? Have you come to finally bury him? I'm talking to you. What is are you mad? Are you not? Look at this thing. Listen, I want you out of this premises this minute, else I will devour you and squeeze the living daylight out of you. Get out now. Hey, see that thing that just left here? I do not want to see her here again. She should not come and look for my prince. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Go upstairs. The prince needs your attention. And you, what are you still doing here? Get up and go and meet your brother. Oh, finally. It took you so long to pick your call. Yes, I want to see you. Since when did you start asking me questions? Ain't we friends? Listen up. She showed up at the hospital. Look, this is not what we can discuss on the phone. We need to see and talk about it. All right. I'll be waiting.
Marriage is not do or die affair. So take this easy. Take this easy. This one is not a bed of roses. Take this easy. No matter your position. Take this easy. In this life.
This is very sad. Very unexpected. The doctor hasn't even told us anything.
It was all my fault. I would have stopped him from leaving the house.
Your Majesty, Prince Kingsley's health is not only paramount to you, the king, but to the entire kingdom. This is because in a matter of few weeks' time, you'll be presented to the movie. You are the chief celebrant who will be making the presentation.
Oh no. But my son is still unconscious. I'm afraid that will be put on hold. Meanwhile, notify the Council of Elders of the emergency meeting slated for tomorrow. We must discuss something really important.
Yes, Your Majesty. Yes, Your Majesty.
Royal Calabash, Royal Calabash, Royal Calabash, Royal Calabash.
All the while you were healthy, you never cared to look at me or give me a shoulder to lean on. I can think of many nights of loneliness. Now you lay helpless, unconscious of things around you. Okay, I'll take care of you. Let's see how you withstand the pains of being in a vulnerable spot.
Remember, nothing is permanent. Remember, nothing is permanent.
Where's the doctor?
He's on his way. He will be with you shortly.
Hey, stop posting for free. Your videos are worth millions. That's right. Every view, every like, every share on your videos should pay you. At Forever MCN, Africa's #1 YouTube partner, we turn your creativity into cash flow. From YouTube to TikTok to Facebook, we handle the stress while you watch your money grow. Creators working with us are already cashing out, some earning millions just by doing what they love. With channel monetization, brand deals, translation into different languages, and video protection from illegal use, we make sure you win. Don't just create for fun. Let your creation earn you lots of money. Join our Forever MCN today. Start by sending an email to marketing@forever.com or call +234 816 992 5722. You can also visit our website mbi247.com. Our Forever MCN, your home of content creators.
Royal Calabash, Royal Calabash. Everything is not by force. I tell you, marriage is not do or die affair. So take this easy. Take this easy. This one is not a bed of roses. Take this easy. No matter your position. Take this easy. In this life. Take this easy. Remember, nothing is permanent. Take this easy. Remember, nothing is permanent. Take this easy.